What's up, y'all? About to continue. I thought I didn't have enough memory, but I got plenty of it. Okay, time to do what I gotta do.
You got a piece of heart. Collect 4 pieces of heart to assemble a new heart container. Each new container you put together will increase the amount of life energy you can have. Yeah! Don't stop now. Look, you can get up there now.
Okay, no duh. Yeah. Found him.
Sis! Tail, we've been looking for you too. Hey, Skull Kid, what if you give that mask you're wearing back now? Hey, come on, are you listening? Swamp, mountain, ocean, canyon, hurry. The 4 who are there, bring them here. Ouchie! Ouchie! Don't speak out of line, stupid fairy! No! What are you doing to my brother? Skull Kid, do you still think you're a friend after that? Well, whatever. Even if they were to come now, they wouldn't be able to handle me. Just look above you. If it's something that can be stopped, then just try to stop.
You are already leaving this land of Hyrule, aren't you? They're in love. Even though it was only a short time,
I feel like I've known you forever. I'll never forget the days we spent together in Hyrule. And I believe in my heart that a day will come when I shall meet you again. Until that day comes, please, take this.
Aw, they kiss. I am praying that your journey be a safe one. She's praying, dude! I hope it's the Lord she's praying to. You see? You see it? Can't really see. Okay. If something should happen to you, remember this song. Come on, play the whole song, dude. That's not how you play a whole song. Look at this. Oops. It's a Wii U. Wii U, buddy. Good for you, buddy. Yeah. You remember the Song of Time. This melody lingering on the edges of your mind is a song of memories of Princess Zelda. Goodbye, friend. Much respect. The goddess of time is protecting you. If you play the Song of Time, she will aid you. It's very good. Very good in the hood.
Snap out of it! What are you doing, lost in memories? Get yourself together! Get that whole
Well, I'm going to bring us back into time, buddy. Back to the future. Or, back to the past, technically. Huh? When did you get that instrument? It's harder with this because you don't have the C buttons. See, Dutton, you got to press buttons. But it really is a joystick that does it. And to have joy doesn't mean you're gay. It means you're happy. So shut up before I smack your face. Okay, hurry up. I'm gonna make this video a little shorter because now I'm actually I'm gonna go piss off the masks guy.
What just happened? Everything has
started over. That would suck, dude. You had to start all over in your life. Yeah, I don't want to go through all that again. So I hate that would be worth it. Go back in time and redo everything with the knowledge that you have. That's what I would do. I would save my sister. Haley would be brought back. I would prevent Haley from dying.
Well, what are you anyway? The song you played. That instrument. That instrument! Wait, that's it, your instrument!
Yeah, what about the instrument? Quit telling me about my instrument.
The mask salesman said that if you got back to that precious thing that was stolen from you, he could return you to normal. Did you completely forget or what, you stoner?
She's mean, dude. She thinks I forget everything. I'm some kind of crazy person.
Will you be able to recover your precious item from that imp? Oh! You got it! You got it! You got it! You got it!
Then listen to me. Please play this song that I am about to perform and remember it well. Follow along after me. He's using both hands and then he's using both hands and he only plays one note at a time. He's playing the piano like he's pressing more than one key. It's stupid, man. What the heck? Okay, well, I'm probably going to make this about 10 minutes long. This is a melody. This is a melody that heals evil magic and troubles spirits, turning them into masks. I am sure it will be assistance to you in the future. Ah, yes, I give you this mask in commemoration of this day. For fear not, for the magic has been still inside the mask. When you wear it, you will transform into the shape you just were. When you remove it, you will return to normal. He's gonna get pissed. You got the DQ mask to keep it as a memento. Press start and blah 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 and blah blah blah. Now I have fulfilled my promise to you. So please give me that which you promised me. What? Don't tell me. My mask? You did. Get it back. Didn't you? What have you done to me? If you leave my mask out there, something terrible will happen. The mask that was stolen from me, it is called Majora's Mask. It is an accursed item for the legend that is said to have been used by an ancient tribe in its hexing rituals. Hexed individuals. It is said that an evil and wicked power is bestowed upon the one who wears that mask. Okay, what else? According to legend, the trouble caused by Majora's Mask was so great that it caused a debate and a lot of hate. The ancient ones fearing such catastrophe seal the mask in shadow forever, preventing its misuse. And it's you that's going to misuse. But now that trial from the legend is vanished, so no one really knows the true nature of the mask's power. It's rapping. Now. But I feel it. I went to great lengths to get that legendary mask. When I finally had it, I could sense the doom of a dark omen brewing. It was that unwelcome feeling that makes your hair stand on end. And now that imp has it. I am begging you. You must get that mask back quickly or something horrible would happen. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. You must do it. Really? You'll do it for me. I was certain you would tell me that. You'll be fine. Surely you can do it. Believe in your strengths. Believe. All right. Well, I'm going to slice you up. Making me do all this crap. Oh, I'm sick of doing things for other people. But I'll do it. All right, y'all.
That mask, the Skull Kid uses the power of the mask to do those terrible things. Well, whatever it takes, we gotta do something about it. The Swamp Mountains Ocean Canyon that Tail was trying to tell us about. I bet he was referring to the four areas just outside town. There's one in each compass direction. But what do you suppose he meant by the four who were there? I have no idea. He always skips important stuff. I guess we should just go and find out. If we go through that gate straight ahead, we'll be heading in the direction of the swamp.
All right. Y'all, go get a Whopper or something and eat, and I'll be back. I'm gonna... I know that's random, but go get a Whopper and a Sloppy Joe and a wallet full of a lot of dough. So then you'll be plentiful, okay? And then you'll never be a hoe, and I'm going to sever your toes, defeated. Oh yeah, you can't defeat me. Okay, anyway. I got something on my mustache. Okay. All right, y'all. I'm going to do the ABCs real quick. ABC. D-H-E. H-I-J. K-L-M-N-O-P. P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. All right, y'all. Comment down below. Like the video. If you're watching it, you gotta like the video, dude. I want 100 likes on this. I want 100 likes, please. If it's got every view should give me a like. So please hit that like button, subscribe button, and you better like something. All right, y'all. I'll see you later. God bless. Stay positive. Have goals. Meet your goals. And keep deep breathing. Deep breathe and relax on breath out. On the breath out, relax. Breathe in. Relax every fiber of your body. Okay, sorry. All right, see you guys. Love you.